for chapter 1 modern maths or NMaths? Ada, right? Some people have joined already before. Okay, so there are also new people here definitely. Ada orang baru, so welcome. If you're the first time join my class, okay, selamat datang. Hopefully you will learn a lot from today's lesson. Okay, because mainly we will focus on questions. Kita akan fokus soalan. Okay, the concept is very little. Okay, konsep sangat kecil sahaja. Okay. Okay guys, can you all see my screen? Boleh nampak screen tak? Yes or no? Okay. Can Okay, very good. So guys, for those newly joined, the code is basically when I teach, right? If any part you don't understand, you type 2. Any part that you understand that I say, you type 1. Okay, like I will ask you, do you understand or not? Adakah kamu faham bahagian ni? Kamu type 1. Kalau faham. Kalau tak faham, type 2. Okay, very simple only. And then if you have question, anytime halfway, you just ask in the chat box. Jangan segan nak tanya soalan. You just ask only. Don't be scared. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys. So today we will start on the chapter 2 already. NMaths quadratic function. Okay. So I think this chapter is not everyone's favorite. Am I right? Banyak orang tak suka, right? Bab ni. Okay, so hopefully at the end of the lesson you will find it easier. Okay, kamu akan rasa lebih senang. Okay, so I give you all a quote for today. Okay, so never give up because great things take time. Okay, so what is the great thing, guys? The great thing is like achieving your goal in SPM, which is getting A for NMaths. Okay, so what is your target, guys, for NMaths? I just want to hear lah. NMaths SPM, matematik tambahan. Apa target grade kamu dalam SPM?
Credit.
A minor.
Very good. Okay, very good. Ada banyak orang cakap A. Very good. Correct. That is the correct mindset, guys. Itu adalah mindset betul sebenarnya. Okay, jangan target nak pass sahaja. Don't target to pass only. That is not our motivation. Okay, our motivation is to get A. Untuk dapat solid A. Kalau A plus lagi bagus. If A plus even better. Okay, you try and see. Cuba sehabis baik. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, so quadratic function, guys. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the general form for quadratic function? Apa
Ax squared
rumus
plus bx plus c.
Okay, very good. Okay, so your general form is going to be ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, for those that joined modern maths last week, you all know already lah. Modern maths, you already learned this. Kamu dah belajar form 4 bab 1. Okay, so NMaths is just extension only. Okay, guys. So first part will be about the quadratic formula. Okay, rumus quadratic. Okay, guys. So the quadratic formula, you must know how to prove. Okay, kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buktikan formula ni. Do you all know how to get this formula? Macam mana buktikan? Yes or no? NMaths like to ask. Okay, matematik tambahan suka tanya buktikan yang ni. Okay, you must know already by now. Don't know. Don't worry. Later got one question. I put one question regarding this one. Nanti kita bincang macam mana nak buktikan rumus ni. Okay, how to prove it. Very simple actually. Okay, jangan risau. Okay guys, so quadratic function. How many method do we have to solve quadratic function? Berapa kaedah kita ada? Very good. The answer is 3. Okay, so first method is factorization, pemfaktoran mudah. And then second is quadratic formula, rumus quadratic. Yes. The third one is completing the square, guys. Penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay, the CTS method is very, very important in maths. Okay, CTS or PKD. Because the question will sometimes ask you to solve using this method. Kamu kena selesaikan persamaan kuadratik guna kaedah ni. Okay, so kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buat lah. Okay, yang tu pun kita akan bincang nanti. Okay guys, so yeah. Okay, so next part, what you guys learn is about quadratic inequality. Okay, ketaksamaan kuadratik. Okay, so quadratic inequality is just basically something like, okay, I got an equation like this. Saya ada persamaan macam ni. Okay, so you see the inequality sign. Kamu nampak simbol ketaksamaan. Okay, so you must know how to solve it. Okay, jangan risau bila nampak simbol ketaksamaan. Usually when you have inequality symbol, you just refer to the graph only. Okay, so you see guys, the symbol here is greater than or equal to. Okay, simbol ketaksamaan tu lebih besar atau sama dengan. Contoh. Okay, so guys, kat mana kamu akan lorek? Kalau lebih besar atau sama dengan. If it's greater than or equal to, where do you shade the region? Yes, guys, you always shade at the side. Kamu lorek di tepi. Okay, why tepi? Because it's above the x-axis. Lebih besar dari kosong. Greater than 0 means above the x-axis. Okay, so you shade on top. Remember, guys, you cannot shade here. Kamu tak boleh lorek kat sini. No matter what is the graph. Selalunya lorekan ada 3 bahagian saja. The two top one or the bottom one. Hanya 2 possibility sahaja. Okay, jangan lorek bahagian lain. Don't shade anywhere else. Okay, and you must show the shading when you answer the question. Kamu kena tunjuk bahagian ni bila jawab soalan macam ni. Do you all understand, guys? 1 or 2? Of course, you got other method lah. So what other method, guys, we have beside drawing graph? Selain lukisan graph untuk selesaikan ketaksamaan kuadratik. Yes, we can use number line to solve quadratic inequality. Okay, correct. So which method you guys like? Kamu semua suka graph ataupun garis nombor? Graph lah. Okay, you all prefer graph. Okay, no problem. But guys, got something special, you know. These trials, right? They actually specify, you know, the method that you must use. Soalan trial SPM 2024, dia nyatakan kena guna kaedah ni sahaja untuk selesaikan. Pernah nampak tak, guys, soalan dia? Okay, they will specify by using number line method, by using graph method. This is the latest trend, guys. SPM 2024 sahaja. Okay, recently only they asked like this. So means that in SPM, most likely you must know how to use a specific method. Okay, kamu kena tahu cara guna kaedah spesifik SPM ini. Okay, so belajar dua-dua lah. Okay, try to learn both. Okay, so yeah, the method actually the textbook explain quite clearly. You can refer over there also. All right. Okay, guys. So next part, what you all learn is the changes in the shape of the graph. Okay, kesan perubahan bentuk dan kedudukan graph. Okay, so this one is depend on your A, B, and C value. Okay, bergantung kepada nilai A, B, dan C. So guys, may I know A value influence what? Nilai A pengaruhi apa? Yes, the width, kelebaran graph. Or you can say the shape also. Okay, bentuk graph. Dua-dua pun boleh. Okay, B value, guys. B value affect what? Very good. Position, guys. Kedudukan. Okay, B mempengaruhi kedudukan. Yes, left or right. Very good. Okay, so position, left, right. Okay, C value, guys. Affect what? Nilai C. Yes, y-intercept. Very good. Okay, so you must know how to explain the changes. When the A, B, and C change, how it affect the graph. Kamu kena tahu macam mana huraikan kesan perubahan. Okay, nilai A, B, dan C. Also, the axis of symmetry for B, yes, can. Okay, guys, at maths, you must remember one formula. Very important formula. Sangat berguna. Guys, do you know when we use this formula? In what method? Kita guna kat kaedah mana? Rumus ni. Anyone know? If you notice. What method we use this formula? Yes, this is the Parkes symmetry formula. Yes, but what method we use it when solving the quadratic equation? Kaedah kat mana kita guna rumus ni? Siapa tahu? Okay, Ken? Yes, correct. Maximum, minimum point, correct. Kamu boleh guna. Okay, one more thing, guys. Do you all remember CTS? Remember, you must plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Pernah ingat kan, guys? Langkah PKD kamu, sebahagian daripada langkah tu. Dia datang dari sinilah. It come from this concept. Because your A value is 1. Am I right, guys? CTS first step is A value kena sama dengan 1. Okay, your A value is 1. So that's why you get this one. Kamu dapat yang ni. Are you all clear? Okay, so it actually come from this formula in modern maths. Okay, kamu belajar ni. X sama dengan negatif B bagi 2A. Alright? So, okay. So up till now, any questions? Ada apa-apa soalan? 1 or 2? 1, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, so guys, you can see the method over here. Okay, so this is part of the completing the square. Okay, maybe some of you don't understand this. It's okay. I can help you to change a bit. Okay guys, so first step, we will always factorize out A. Kita kena faktorkan A keluar. Okay, so kamu akan dapat macam ni. Betul? So this is your first step. Okay, second step, you add B over 2 square. Okay, X B per AX tambah B over 2 square minus B over 2 square plus C over A. Okay guys, this is your CTS. Ini adalah kaedah PKD kamu. Alright, are you guys clear? So this is the step that you are going to use. Okay, and then depend on the equation, bergantung pada persamaan, kamu ganti nilai. Yes?
Can you repeat again, please? After factorizing out the A's.
Yes. So what's your question?
No. After, can you repeat after we factorize out the A's?
Okay. So when you factorize, right guys, this one is mean factorize. Am I right? Bila kamu keluarkan A, itu maksud faktor. So now, after you factorize out, you have to add this one. Plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Okay, this is your second step. Depend on your B value. Bergantung pada nilai B yang diberi dalam soalan. Okay, they will give you a quadratic equation. Then only you can apply this method. Okay, are you guys clear? So finally guys, may I know what is the format that we get after completing the square? Kita akan ada satu nama untuk format tu. There is a, what type of form is it? Bentuk apa? Bila kamu guna kaedah PKD atau CTS. Yes, you will get vertex form guys. Pernah dengar yang ni guys? In quadratic, they always like to ask this. Vertex form. So guys, can anyone tell me how does vertex form look like? Can you all type out? Macam mana bentuk vertex nampak? See whether you guys remember or not. Masih ingat ke tak? Bentuk vertex. How does it look like? Yes. Okay, Ken? Okay, so generally it will look something like this. Okay, bentuk vertex dia nampak macam ni. Okay, guys? It will look something like this. Okay, guys. So from this, you can interpret a few information. Okay, kamu boleh dapatkan beberapa informasi. So guys, H value represent what? May I know? Nilai H mewakili apa? Yes, your X value or axis of symmetry lah, to be more accurate. Persamaan paksi simetri. Okay, K value guys, what does it represent? Nilai K mewakili apa dalam bentuk vertex? Yes, maximum or minimum point guys. Titik max atau titik min. Okay, so guys, how to know whether it's maximum or minimum point? Macam mana nak tahu titik tu maximum atau minimum? It depends on what? Bergantung kepada nilai apa? Yes, very good guys. So guys, may I know if my A is greater than 0? Kalau nilai A lebih besar dari kosong, titik maximum atau minimum? Yes, minimum point. Always guys, selalunya titik minimum. Kamu kena berdasarkan nilai A. Look at your A value. Okay, so if A less than 0, kalau A lebih kurang dari 0, what do you get? Yes, maximum point guys. Titik maximum. Okay guys, are you clear? So this is the concept. So, understand? One or two? Satu atau dua? Okay guys, now I ask you a question. Is there any other method I can use to determine a maximum or minimum point? Ada tak kaedah lain yang kamu pernah belajar untuk tentukan titik maksimum atau minimum selain kuadratik? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Anyone know or not? What other method can I use? Let's say I don't want quadratic. Saya tak tahu quadratic. Very smart. Sangat bagus. Guys, if you don't know how to solve this using quadratic, kalau kamu tak tahu guna quadratic, kamu ada alternative. dy over dx equals 0 guys. You can find your maximum or minimum point also. Masih diterima. Okay, still accepted. As long the question tak mention kena guna CTS atau PKD lah. If the question never mention by using completing the square or penyempurnaan kuasa 2, you have an alternative. dy over dx equals 0. Maksudnya kamu bezakan persamaan kuadratik yang diberi. Okay, you differentiate the quadratic equation. Are you clear guys? But this is the last, like what to say, the last resort. Okay, kaedah terakhir lah untuk guna. Sebaik-baiknya guna kaedah kuadratik untuk soalan kuadratik. Okay, always use the quadratic method for a quadratic question. Okay, don't suddenly bring in differentiation. Let's say you blank, tak ada idea. This is your saving point, guys. Ini boleh menyelamatkan kamu. At least kamu dapat jawapan juga dengan kaedah lain. Okay, guys, always remember this. Titik maximum or minimum differentiation. dy over dx equal to 0. Boleh, guys? 1 or 2? Only got 2 method. Dua kaedah. Okay, so can I continue? Boleh teruskan? Okay, so you can see the examples over here, guys. So this is the equation. So may I know, can you tell me what is the maximum value over here? Sorry, minimum value. Apa nilai minimum kat sini? Cuba jawab soalan saya. Apa nilai minimum bagi fungsi ni? What is my minimum value? Very good. Sangat bagus. Okay, minimum value is negative 3 over 2. May I know what is the axis of symmetry, guys? Apa persamaan paksi simetri? Yes, 3 over 2, guys. Yang ni kamu kena bagi sama dengan kosong. Okay, let it equal 0. Find your x value. So, x sama dengan 3/2. Okay, so now guys, I ask you, may I know the minimum point? Saya nak titik minimum. What is your answer? Titik minimum. Minimum point. Not 2, bukan 2. Yes. Okay, guys, answering technique. Be careful. Okay, banyak orang akan silap kat sini. Minimum point and minimum value is two different things. Okay, titik minimum dan titik, nilai minimum dan titik minimum dua benda berbeza. Kalau soalan cakap nilai minimum, minimum value, you give this as your answer sahaja. Kalau soalan cakap titik minimum, minimum point, you give this as your answer. Boleh faham? Dua benda berbeza. You give the wrong answer, wrong. Salah. Okay? It's bahasa lah, guys. Okay, kamu ikut bahasa sajalah. It's just a concept of language. Okay?
Sure.
Yes?
From the top there just now, from the normal, how do you get the down one where you circle the whole thing?
Oh, the equation here, is it? This one?
Yeah.
Wait, is it the fx one?
Yes.
This one? Oh, you just use completing the square. Yes?
Okay. Okay.
Completing the square, guys. Over here, you use CTS. Okay, ataupun PKD. Alright? Guna kaedah sahaja. Alright? So, guys, macam mana check jawapan kamu ni betul ke tak? How to check whether your answer over here is correct or not? Can you tell me? Macam mana? How do I check? Cuba komen. Macam mana saya tahu apa yang saya buat sini betul atau tidak? How? Logic, guys. What? Yes. Very good, guys. You just expand back lah this equation. Kamu kembangkan lah persamaan ni. Tengok dapat yang ni tak. Kalau tak dapat, maksudnya salah. Kalau dapat, maksudnya betul. Okay, if you get back this equation, you're correct. Okay, so this is how you check in NMaths. Cara kamu periksa jawapan kamu tu okay ke tak. Okay, guys? So, clear? Okay, now. Okay, so this is your formula. Okay, quadratic formula. Removes quadratic. Okay, guys. So usually you will use this very often in NMaths. Kamu akan guna banyak dalam NMaths. Kaedah pemfaktoran mudah. Normal factorization usually is less common. Okay, because they'll try to ask you to use the quadratic formula. Kamu kena tahu cara nak guna. Okay, but of course you have calculator. Am I right? Kamu boleh tekan calculator. You can use calculator for the values. Okay, to check. Okay, but you must show you're working, guys. Kena tahu tunjuk jalan kerja. Okay, guys. So another part you guys learn in quadratic is the type of roots. Am I right? Jenis punca. So guys, we have three situations over here. Okay, so first of all, b square minus 4ac. What do we call this? Kita panggil yang ni apa? May I know? There is one word for it. Ada satu nama untuk ungkapan ni. Yes, pembeza layan, guys. Yes, discriminant. Correct. Okay, guys. So they will ask you to show, is there one an equal root, two different root, or imaginary root, or no real root. Okay, kamu kena tunjuk sama ada satu punca yang sama, dua punca yang sama, ataupun dua punca yang berbeza, ataupun tak ada punca. Okay, no roots. Okay, guys? So these are the conditions. Okay, so if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, you will have no roots, tak ada punca. Means what, guys? May I know where will be your quadratic curve if b square minus 4ac less than 0? Kalau dia kurang dari kosong, macam mana quadratic tu ada? Di paksi
Above
X?
the x-axis.
Yes. Okay, it will be above the x-axis. Something like this, guys. This is b square minus 4ac lebih kurang dari kosong. So, guys, may I know the roots over here, punca kat sini, apa nama untuk punca macam ni? What is the name for this type of roots? Yes, imaginary roots. Okay? Punca, saya pun tak tahu dalam BM apa. Punca, tidak nyata. Okay? So, imaginary roots. Okay, guys. So, they will say it won't touch paksi X lah. Okay, dia takkan sentuh paksi. Okay, so guys, now, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, very important, sangat penting konsep ni. So, guys, when they say equal to 0, means got one root. Am I right? Satu punca sahaja. Ataupun satu nilai X sahaja. Only one X value. So, guys, whenever you got one, satu, what is the name we call it? They always use in the question one. Mereka akan guna satu perkataan untuk menggambarkan yang ni. Can anyone tell? Mula dengan huruf T. Start with letter T. Anyone? T. Come on. Apa nama dia? Hello? Yes. Tangent, guys. Have you all seen this? They said the curve is tangent to something. Okay, lengkung tu tangent dengan sesuatu yang lain. So, immediately, you know that b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Kamu tahu dah fakta yang ni. Okay, guys? So, this is the common thing you will see over here. Tangent. Okay, so next one. The third case is if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Lebih besar dari kosong. Okay, so this one means that there are two different real roots. Okay, dua punca nyata yang berbeza. Okay, guys? Boleh dapat? So, all these three you must know how to apply. Usually, they will ask you to express the range. Mereka akan suruh kamu ungkapkan julat untuk yang ni dengan yang ni. They'll ask you to express the range for the first and third one. Second one, of course, no range lah. Tak ada julat kat sini sebab sama dengan. Okay, equal, you won't have range. You will have a value. Akan ada nilai. Okay? Alright, so now guys, we got three types of form for quadratic. Tiga jenis bentuk bagi quadratic. Okay, so another form that I didn't tell just now is this one. Okay, bentuk pintasan, guys. Intercept form. So may I know, intercept form, what information can you get, guys? Kamu boleh dapat info apa dari bentuk pintasan? Cuba komen. Yes. Satu punca sahaja. So anyone? What information can you get from this equation over here? Intercept form. Very good. The roots, guys. Okay, kamu akan dapat punca. Y tak dapat. Hanya X sahaja, guys. Tengok. X tolak P, X tolak Q. So maksudnya, kamu katakan X tolak P sama dengan kosong, satu punca adalah P. Lepas tu, X tolak Q sama dengan kosong, X sama dengan Q. So these are your two roots, guys. Dua jenis punca kamu kat sini. Okay? So, understand? Sampai sekarang, guys? One or two? Are you clear? One, huh? Kalau ada soalan, tanya tahu. If you got a question, you must ask. Okay, next one. Okay, so now, guys, you must know how to draw the graph. Kamu kena tahu cara nak lukis. Okay, I think modern maths, you guys got learn also, right? Am I right? Modern maths pun kena tahu macam mana nak lukis graph. Okay, so for admaths, concept is still the same. Concept masih sama. You do the exact same thing. Okay, make sure kamu bagi semua titik yang diperlukan. Titik minimum atau maksimum, paksi simetri, punca kamu, and then pintasan Y. Okay, all these four information. Y-intercept, roots, max or minimum point, and axis of symmetry. Okay, these four information. Okay, so now, let me see. Okay, so guys, let's us investigate. Okay, sekarang kita nak buat eksperimen. Macam mana graf tu berubah? Kalau A, B dan C berubah. Okay, if A, B and C value change, how is it going to affect the graph? Okay guys, you predict first. Kamu jangkakan dulu. Okay guys, if A equals to 3, go to A equals to 4. May I know what will happen to the graph? Nilai A berkurang. So apa jadi pada graph? What happened to it? Can you all explain? Does it become wider? Does it become narrower? Okay, yes. Very good. Okay, graph tu akan bertambah lebar guys kat sini. It'll become bigger. Okay, so why bigger? I think modern maths I explained tadi. Modern maths saya dah terangkan, kamu guna rumus yang ni. Okay, you use this formula. So guys, over here the A value decrease. Am I right? Nilai A tengah berkurang. So kalau A berkurang, X meningkat. Betul? Nilai X akan meningkat. So X meningkat maksudnya apa guys? Nilai paksi simetri tu meningkat. Your axis of symmetry value increases. So when the axis of symmetry increases, your graph become wider. Logic, right guys? Sangat logic. Okay? So this is the concept over here. So you can memorize like this. Kamu boleh hafal macam ni. Okay guys? So your graph will look something like this. Okay, so you can see over here how it changed. Okay, so if you investigate, right guys, semua nilai lain kena dimalarkan. The rest of the value all is constant. You cannot change. Kalau A berubah, yang lain semua malar. Okay, so guys, 3 to 1. So 3 to 1 means that, what is it? Your graph is becoming bigger. Okay, graph semakin lebar. So guys, tengok. Betul kan? Graph semakin lebar. Tengok kat sini. Okay, your graph is becoming wider. Because your X value increase. Nilai paksi simetri tu bertambah. Okay, asalnya paksi simetri kat sini. Lepas tu, paksi simetri kat sini. So guys, nilai dia bertambah ke tak? Yes, bertambah. Dari sini dia ke kiri. It go to the left. Means it increase. Okay, kamu lihat magnitude saja guys. Jangan tengok simbol negatif. You just refer to the magnitude. Okay, so it actually increase. Nilai dia bertambah. Okay, clear guys? Untuk kesan perubahan A? Good, huh? Okay, so now B guys. Can you all tell me? B negative 3 pergi kepada B sama dengan 10. What happened to the graph? May I know? Apa jadi? Very good. Okay. Sada, saya nak lihat. Negative 3. Betul ke Afiq? Is it correct? Is it correct guys? Let's check and see. Sad, saya pun nak lihat. B value, let me see ya. Negative 3 kepada 5. Okay, salah Afiq. Okay, ke kiri ya. Guys, when negative become positive, you see the graph go to the left. Am I right? So, ya, betul. Sorry, kamu cakap ke kanan. Salah. Sepatutnya ke kiri guys. Okay, so negative B jadi positive B. So, dia akan semakin ke kiri guys. Okay, your graph will go to the left. Gradient won't change, previously. B value only affect the translation, translasi graph. Ke kiri atau ke kanan. Whether you move it to the left or to the right. Okay? So how to see guys? So you can actually refer to the equation. Kamu kena lihat persamaan dia. Okay guys, so if you see over here, kalau B sama dengan negative 3, okay, kamu gunalah X sama dengan negative B bagi 2A. So guys, negative B, ungkapan ni akan positif atau negatif? Untuk yang ni, will the term of negative B be positive or negative? If B sama dengan negative 3, yes, positif. So maksudnya, graf tu ke sebelah kanan. Paksi X yang positif. The positive X-axis. So guys, kalau B sama dengan 10, negative B positif atau negatif? Yes, it's a negative value guys. So positive change to negative. So maksudnya, gerak ke kiri. Betul? You're moving to the left. Make sense or not guys? Sangat logik kan? Okay, it makes sense. So that's why guys, no need to remember. Jangan hafal. Guna persamaan saja kamu faham. Use the equation only. That's why I say this equation very important. Persamaan ni sangat penting. Boleh guna untuk beberapa perkara dalam bab ni. Okay, can use in many things. Alright? So make sure you remember this one. Okay. So next one, C value. Sangat senang lah guys. So guys, sekarang graf pergi ke atas atau ke bawah? Does the graph move upward or downward? C equal to 3, then C equal to 10. Up or down? Yes. Okay, graph tu akan pergi ke atas sebab nilai C bertambah. Okay, so your graph is definitely going up. Okay, guys, are you all clear? So your graph will look something like this. Okay, keep on going up, semakin bertambah. Okay, you can see over here, the y-intercept is different. Okay, pintasan y semua berbeza. Okay, guys, can you understand? Boleh dapat sampai sekarang, one or two? Okay, so any question or not that you want to ask? Let me think and see, have I covered everything? I think so, right? I rasa dah habis kot bab dia. Sangat pantas. Okay, it's very short and recap. Okay, guys. So we direct go to the question. Okay, kamu semua suka kan soalan? So we direct see the question. Okay, guys. So all the question here are trial 2024. Okay, dia adalah soalan percubaan terbaru. So jangan main-main. It's very important. Okay, trial 2024. Okay, guys. So first question. Okay, this one is daily life. Okay, soalan aplikasi harian. Okay, so when you see this kind of question, guys, I know you get scared. Am I right? Kamu semua risau dah bila nampak macam ni. Okay, but don't worry. The question is easy only. Okay, dia nampak susah sahaja. Okay, guys. So they tell you that the height of the basketball B from O is 1.6 meter. Okay, so maksudnya kamu label lah. Yang ni adalah 1.6 meter. Okay. Alright. Second information. Horizontal distance of basketball from O and maximum height is 4 meter. Okay, so kamu kena bayangkan lah, guys. Guys, I ask you logic now. Saya tanya logic. Kamu bagi tahu saya mana laluan bola tu betul. Which of the part of the ball is correct? Okay. First part A, second part B, third part C. Which one is the answer, guys? Mana adalah jawapan dia? Okay, kamu semua baguslah. Jawapan dia adalah B. Okay, your answer is... Oi! Okay, I know why you say C. Because of gravity. Am I right, guys? Sebab gravity, kamu cakap jawapan C. Physics, right? Physics means you answer C. Because of free fall. Okay? Jatuh bebas. Betul? Tanpa kerintangan udara. Without air resistance. Tiba-tiba nampak fizik pula kat sini. Okay, never mind. Come back to AdMaths. Okay, so now the ball will go like this. Okay, unless you very noob lah, guys. Kalau kamu noob main bola keranjang, bola dia akan jatuh ke bawah lah. Tapi kat sini kita anggap player ni pro. Okay, we assume this is a professional basketball player. Okay, your favorite guy is Michael Jordan. Okay, kamu anggap orang ni Michael Jordan lah, senang. Pasti 100% bola masuk. 100% the ball will enter the net. Okay? Steph Curry. Oh, you watch NBA also, guys. Tak sangka. I thought a lot of you like bola only. Tapi bola keranjang pun suka. Okay. Good. Okay, so now, guys, they tell you that horizontal distance of 7p. So, still RIP, yeah. So long already. Horizontal distance of 7 meter from O and height 143/64. Okay, guys, this is the first information, guys, yang soalan bagi. Okay, so you can assume this is the maximum point, right? Ini adalah titik maksimum. So the jarak kat sini adalah 7 meter berdasarkan soalan. Okay, can you see, guys? Based on the question, sorry, not 7 meter, 4 meter. Okay, is 4 because the horizontal distance to the maximum point, 4 meter. Okay, so the other information, 7 meter, guys. Okay, so maybe 7 meter is here, another 3 meter. Okay, so they tell you the height, ketinggian dia adalah 143/64 meter. Okay, guys, you can imagine the question like this. Kamu boleh bayangkan macam ni. Are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? So, guys, let me ask you a logic question. May I know where will you put your axis? X-axis and Y-axis. Kamu akan letak paksi X dan Y kat mana? Cuba bagi saya. Yes, kat badan dia, guys. Okay, like this. X, Y. Does it now make sense, guys? Dia nampak logik kan? Okay, so this is your Y-intercept. Ini adalah pintasan Y. Okay, so now we can see the question. Boleh nampak soalan. Okay, so they ask you vertex form, guys. Okay, bentuk vertex. Okay, so how to form the equation? Okay, first step. May I know the axis of symmetry? Apa persamaan paksi simetri berdasarkan wajah saya based on the diagram? Anyone? Bukanlah Afiq. Afiq, yang ni adalah titik maksimum. Betul? This is the maximum point. So maksudnya X sama dengan 4. Boleh faham tak guys? X equal 4 is your axis of symmetry. Because when X equal to 4, you have the maximum height. Tengok guys, ketinggian maksimum jarak mengufuk 4. Ini cara kamu lihat soalan. Okay, the horizontal distance at the maximum height is 4 meter. Means that 4 meter is your axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi symmetry. Okay, so now you know the general, right? General form for vertex. Okay, so may I know guys, what is the H value over here? Apa nilai H yang saya kena isi? Yes, means you understand lah. Okay, so guys, we already get one information. H equal to 4. Okay, so this one definitely is not your final answer. Ini bukan jawapan akhir. So guys, we must find what value now. Kita kena cari nilai apa sekarang?
Why is it that 4 is the head?
Because they say that the maximum height, wait, let me do again. Okay, you see here, horizontal distance at maximum height is 4 meter. Means at the 4 meter horizontal distance over here, you will get the maximum point. So guys, the coordinate here will start with 4. Am I right? For maximum point. So when the coordinate is 4, it refers to the axis of symmetry. Dia merujuk paksi symmetry because it divides the graph into 2 equal part. Dia bahagikan graph kepada 2 bahagian sama. Do you understand? Clear? Should be okay, right? Okay. So now, may I know what coordinate are you going to substitute over here? Kamu akan gantikan X dan Y apa kat sini? Anyone? What is the values you're going to substitute? Yes, Afiq? Ada soalan? Very good. Guys, do you all see over here? They give you an information. Horizontal distance is X. Height is Y. Ini adalah anggapan kita, guys. Jarak mengufuk adalah X. Ketinggian dia adalah Y. So guys, this is your first information. X equals 7. Y equal to 143/64. Boleh faham? So kamu boleh gantikan dah kat sini. Okay, this one is Y equal to like this. Okay, so kamu ganti. So guys, if I just substitute one coordinate, can I find my A and K value? Adakah saya boleh cari nilai A dan K kalau satu coordinate saja masuk? Yes guys, you must use simultaneous equation. Kamu kena guna persamaan serentak. So you must have a second coordinate. Kamu kena ada titik kedua. So may I know what is the second coordinate over here? Apa titik kedua yang kamu boleh nampak dalam soalan? Baru tadi saya bagi tahu. I just now told. Yes guys, this is your y-intercept. Am I right? Pintasan y, correct. 0, 1.6 guys. This is your second coordinate. Ini adalah coordinate kedua. So guys, you just need to solve simultaneous equation. So guys, siapa orang kat sini ada masalah dengan persamaan linear? Saya harap tak ada lah. Sebab NMATS kamu akan guna ni banyak kali. You must know how to solve simultaneous by now already. Usually, I won't show the step lah. Saya akan tunjuk sebab sangat senang. Okay, very simple. Just make sure you get the value correctly. Okay, kamu kena dapat nilai betul. Okay, so when you show your simultaneous method, right, you already get 1 mark. Kamu dapat 1 markah. Kalau tunjuk kaedah dengan betul. Okay, so if you solve correctly, you should get these 2 values. Okay, kamu kena, of course lah, only 1. How many mark you want, guys? Over here. 3, yeah. Wow. But if it's a simultaneous equation by itself, that question, yes, you will get more mark. But this one is simultaneous equation concept masuk in quadratic chapter. So that's why the mark is less. Okay? So if you get 2 values, you will get the answer, the 2 marks, 2 markah. So guys, now you already have the value. Will you share? Oh, cause I can't write, otherwise cannot. Oh, Yes, I'll share later in my group. Guys, if anyone want the question, right, PM my number. Okay, this number. Tengok chat box, guys. Refer the chat box. If anyone want this PDF, just PM me. Okay, later I'll share after the class. Okay, guys. So you have these two equation already. Kamu ada dua persamaan ni. So, okay. So the question, second part. Mereka suruh tanya, adakah Michael Jordan ni dapat masuk bola keranjang dalam gawang ke tak? Okay, can the basketball enter the net or not? Okay, so how to know, guys? Macam mana tahu boleh masuk ke tak? Anyone? How should I judge? Saya pun tak pasti. Saya ambil random saja, tak ingat. I just mix everything together, guys. Saya campur semua dah. Okay, guys. So how to know whether the ball enter the net or not? Macam mana tahu? Can anyone tell me? How do I see it? So anyone? Dia masuk ke tak bola ni? Cuba bagi tahu. So we judge it based on what, guys? Whether the ball enter the net or not, it depend on what? May I know? Cuba jawab. Okay, can. But another method. Kaedah lain. Macam mana boleh tentukan bola tu boleh sampai ke tak gawang? Anyone? Can think and see? No, you must use mathematics, guys. Jangan kata skill lah. Habislah kamu kalau jawab macam ni. Okay, you die already like that. Okay, why? Reason, guys. They ask you to determine. You must give reason. Kena bagi jawab sebab mengapa masuk atau tak masuk. Weh, guys, jangan macam ni. Cepat. So how to know whether it masuk or not? Kamu semua, ayo. So how to know, guys? You have to refer the Y value. Am I right? Kamu kena tengok nilai Y. Am I right? How high it go? Berapa tinggi dia pergi? So guys, just now you already find the K value. Am I right? Tadi saya dah tunjuk. Nilai K adalah ataupun Q 61/20. Yes. Okay, you must refer the maximum point, guys. So the maximum point is 3.05. So kamu compare, guys. May I know? Coordinate A. Okay, so you can refer over here. The question say, at A, perfect shot. Perfect shot mean what, guys? The ball enter. Am I right? Perfect shot will be made when the basketball is at 7 meter or from O and height of 143/64 from the court ground. Okay? So now, guys, so is the answer yes or no? Adakah jawapan ya atau tidak? What do you all think? Anyone? Cuba teka. Yeah, so confident, huh? The answer is tidak, guys. No, you cannot trust him. Okay, so why, guys? Why he never enter? Because the maximum height is only 3.05 meter. Okay, but the actual height needed is 3.2 meters. Okay, ketinggian yang diperlukan adalah 3.2 meter sebenarnya. Okay, guys, so means that you can see this value first. Okay, so 143/64. You try to press calculator. Okay, you will get 2.23. Don't answer like that. Yes, 2.23. Okay, so means that at 7 meter, the height is already 2.23. Am I right? Okay, so now, guys, let me see. The maximum height you reach is 3.05. Correct? So, guys, logic lah. The ball is going down after the maximum height. Am I right? Dia tengah menurun. It's coming lower and lower. Okay, so if you check and see, coordinate A. Okay, coordinate A. Let me see. Okay, so kamu boleh gantikan. You can substitute. Yes, sub back 7 and get the Y. Not X. You must get the Y. Okay, because Y represent the height. Okay, so kamu gantikan X sama dengan 7 kat sini. You substitute 7. Okay, then count your Y value. Okay, A dan K kamu dah dapat tadi. Simultaneous, guys. Okay, these two value. So kamu compare, kamu akan dapat 3.2 sebenarnya. titik A. Okay, so that means the ball cannot enter. Am I right? Bola tak boleh masuk. Okay, can you understand, guys? Boleh dapat? So make sure you give a reason. Over here, the reason is needed. Kamu kena bagi sebab. Jangan saja cakap tidak dan kamu expect pemeriksa akan bagi markah terakhir pada kamu. Takkan jadi ya. If you just write your final answer no, habis. Don't have 1 mark. Pasti tak akan dapat. I know a lot of people, they like to write very straightforward. Am I right? Orang yang berfikiran lurus. Betul? Straight-minded people. They will just say yes, no. No reason, tak ada sebab. Macam mana nak dapat markah, guys? Mathematics, you need to give reason. Okay? Where do you get? I just explained. Okay, never mind. You substitute x is 7 into the equation. Kamu gantikan x sama dengan 7. Okay, A and K value tadi kamu gantikan 2 titik kan untuk tentukan nilai A dan Q. Okay, so itu adalah nilai dia. So kamu tekan calculator saja. Cari nilai Y. Okay, then you will get 3.2. Atas terlebih energy miss the goal. Sangat baguslah kamu semua punya reasoning. Okay guys, come back. So part B, they ask you to find the height. Find the horizontal distance. Cari jarak mengufuk. Okay guys, so they want you to find X or Y. May I know? Mereka suruh cari X atau Y. Jarak mengufuk. XX. Okay, you find your X. Okay, cari X. Okay, so then they say that basketball is at a height. Oi guys, don't spam XXX. Wah, you guys very dangerous lah. Sangat bahaya kamu semua. Guys, SPM people also think like this. Not bad. Naughty. Yes, terlebih dah. Okay, never mind. As long as you have fun while learning is good. Okay guys, so they say got a height of 2 meter after the maximum point. So guys, height refer to X or Y. Tinggi tu merujuk X atau Y? Yes, Y. Okay, so means that Y sama dengan 2. Okay, so then gantikan saja dalam persamaan kamu. Just substitute in your vertex equation. Okay, A dan Q tadi dah dapat. Okay, and then solve for X. Okay guys, so you are going to get 2 answer over here. Kamu akan dapat 2 jawapan bila tekan calculator. So guys, may I know, do you accept both answer? Adakah kamu akan terima dua-dua jawapan? Yes or no? Think logic guys. Kamu kena fikir logic. Okay, so which one you will reject? Mana kamu akan abaikan kat sini? Very good guys. Okay, why you reject this? May I know? Kenapa kamu abaikan yang ni? Why 0.5961 cannot? Okay, it doesn't make sense lah. Okay, it doesn't make sense. Because this one itself, right guys? Yang ni saja dah 1.6 from O to B. So guys, 0.59 means somewhere over here. Sangat bawah dah. Okay, doesn't make sense. Yes. Okay, correct. Very good. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay guys, do you understand this question? Boleh faham? Guys, NMATS susah ke tak? Jawab saya. NMATS hard or not? Cuba komen sekarang selepas lihat soalan pertama saya dah habis. Hard or not?
Yes.
Yes, I was expecting you say no. Sometimes. Okay, medium. Boleh dibuat. Yes. NMATS boleh dibuat. Okay, it can be done. Yes. Susah kalau tak buat latihan. But guys, you must understand one thing, you know. When I explain, bila saya terangkan kat kamu, dia nampak senang. Betul? When I explain to you, the question look very easy. Okay, but the problem with a lot of people in NMATS is, people explain to them, they feel NMATS is easy. Bila orang terangkan kat mereka, dia kata senang. Yes. When you do yourself, you will stuck one. This is the major problem. Bila kamu buat sendiri, kamu tak tahu. Tanpa sebarang panduan. That is the majority of SPM student problem. So you guys must know how to overcome it. Kamu kena tahu cara nak atasi dia. Okay? Because not enough exercise. Tak cukup latihan. That's all. Nothing else one. Okay? You must try more exercise on your own. Kena cuba lebih. Okay guys? So we come to the next question. Okay, this one I think is Negeri Sembilan, if not mistaken. Okay, ini adalah trial Negeri Sembilan. I see the paper format itself, I know already. The way the wording look like, saya tahu ini Negeri Sembilan dah. Okay, so now, question A1. They ask you to express the range of value of P in term of Q. Okay, dia suruh ungkapkan. Okay guys, so how to do this? Macam mana nak buat yang ni? Can anyone tell me? What should I do? Question A1. Anyone? Kena buat apa? Think and see. You must express the range of P in term of Q. So what is the concept? Apa concept? So guys, this is where I must let you guys think on your own. Kamu kena fikir sendiri. If you don't think on your own, I just tell you the answer, kamu takkan belajar. Yes. Okay, B square minus 4AC less than 0 guys. Okay, kamu kena guna konsep ni. Always when you see the word range, ungkapkan julat, selalu fikir yang ni. Okay, because this one is an inequality, ketaksamaan. Bila ada ketaksamaan, kamu akan ada julat. Okay, when you have inequality, definitely you have range one. Okay, so why less than 0 guys? Mengapa lebih kurang dari kosong? What is the reason? Apa sebab saya kata macam ni? Kenapa tak boleh lebih besar dari kosong? Very good guys. It doesn't touch the x-axis. Can you see? X. Okay, kita selalu lihat B square tolak 4AC terhadap paksi X. Okay, tak sentuh paksi X. Correct. Okay, so you just substitute all your value only. Gantikan semua nilai. Okay guys, are you all clear? So you will just substitute like this. Okay, kamu gantikan macam ni. Okay, you will get something like this. And then express P in term of Q. Okay, ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q. Okay guys, are you all clear? Boleh dapat? Okay, this one is P ya. Ada typo kat sini. Kat sini adalah P. Okay, so can I continue? 1 or 2 sampai sekarang? Okay, so we go next question. Okay, soalan A2. Now they say that, okay, so now guys, you must know the effect of changes of B. Okay, so now they say B value change to negative 2Q. Okay, original 2Q, sekarang negative 2Q. So guys, may I know the graph move right or left? Adakah graph tu ke kiri atau ke kanan? May I know? Think carefully ya. Fikir betul-betul, yes. Okay, it's to the right guys. Okay, ke kanan. Very good. You're not confused tadi. Okay, so why? Because kamu guna rumus ni. X equal to negative B over 2A. Kalau nilai B negative, X positive. Okay, so it will go to the right. Pergi ke kanan. Okay, so how to draw? You just draw something like this. Okay, you just show it move to the right. Symmetry ya guys. Graph ni sebenarnya symmetry. Bentuk graph tak boleh ubah. You cannot change the shape of the graph because A is constant. Nilai A sama. So, kelebaran semua jangan ubah. Pintasan Y jangan ubah. Don't change the Y-intercept over here. Okay? You just shift it to the right. Boleh dapat guys? Senang kan? Nak dapat 2 markah ni. Very easy. Okay, and then one more thing. You make sure the distance, dua jarak ni adalah sama. Okay, try to make sure when you draw, the distance is the same. Because 2Q change to negative 2Q, magnitude nilai B adalah sama. Okay, your value of B is the same. So means that the axis of symmetry magnitude should be the same. Okay, nilai X adalah sama. Sebab X sama dengan negative B bagi 2A. A sama, B sama, magnitude. So X pun kena sama. Okay, jelas guys? Very simple, right? So easy. Okay, kamu boleh tutup mata dan buat jugalah. Okay, so simple. 2 marks, 4 marks tadi. Okay, next one. So they say they show you 2 graph. Okay, mereka tunjuk 2 graph kat sini. Okay, so the question is write the possible function. Okay, this one interesting. Dia suruh kamu tulis satu persamaan kat sini. So may I know what will it be? Can you all tell me what is the possible function? Okay, this one is a very new type of question. Soalan jenis baru. Tak pernah nampak. So anyone? Can you try? Okay guys, so I give you a clue lah. You must specify the A value. You must tell the A value one. What will be your A value? You can choose. Negative 2 ah. Okay guys, see carefully ah. Is the width of the graph the same over here? Adakah kelebaran dua-dua graph ni sama? Yes or no? No. means that A cannot be negative 2, 1. Tak boleh negative 2. Kena magnitude yang berbeza. It must be a different magnitude. So what do you think? Think and see. So what will be your A? Apa nilai A, guys? Cuba fikir. A kena negative. Betul? Okay, your A value must be negative. Very good. Uni, correct. Okay, the A value is actually negative 1, guys. Okay, because when your A value is negative 1, the graph will become wider. Am I right? Nilai A berkurang, graph semakin lebar. Okay, you look at the magnitude, guys. Lihat magnitude saja. Magnitude 2, this one magnitude is 1. So A value decrease, become lower. Okay, so means that the graph become wider. Okay, graph 2 bertambah lebar. So guys, may I know what is the axis of symmetry over here for these two graphs? What is the equation? Apa persamaan dia? What do you all think? Axis of symmetry, persamaan paksi symmetry. Adakah ada nilai? Is there any value? Yes. The answer is 0, guys. Because the axis of symmetry of both graph is on the y-axis. Paksi symmetry adalah pada paksi y, yaitu x sama dengan kosong. Okay, guys? Clear, right? Because it's exactly on the halfway point, midpoint, titik tengah. Okay? Are you clear, guys, with this question? 6 marks. Can you all score? Boleh, right? Quite easy, right? Okay, next question. Okay. Okay, guys, your favorite question come, Adi. How to prove the quadratic formula? Macam mana nak buktikan rumus ni, guys? 3 markah. 3 marks. Jangan main-main, ha? You don't know how to do, habis. Tak boleh jawab soalan ni. Because you must memorize how to do it. Macam mana buat. So anyone, can you tell me first step? What should I do to prove this formula? Macam mana nak buktikan? Yes. Always remember, guys, how to prove this formula is by using CTS or PKD, penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay? Kena guna kaedah ni. Okay, guys. So how do you start? Kena mula dengan persamaan apa? You should start with this equation, the general form. Selalu mula dengan persamaan am. Yes. Take out the A, guys. Okay, faktorkan A keluar. Macam tadi saya tunjuk. Okay, just now I show exactly the same step. Okay, so you can see over here, this one. Okay, so the first step is basically you take out the A already. Okay, kamu keluarkan A, so you will get something like this. Okay, so guys, this one they already add in plus B over 2A square minus B over 2A square. They already add in over here. Okay, so this step is this one. Okay, yang ni. Can you all understand? This is the step over here. Okay, mereka letak A ke atas atau bawah tak payah. Tak membawa masuk pun. Sama sahaja. You can put the A on top. 2A also can. No problem. Okay, guys, do you understand this step over here? Yes or no? You must understand every single step in proving one. Kamu kena faham semua langkah dalam buktikan. Can, ah? Okay, so first step you all done already. Second step, guys. Second step is for you to factorize this one. Kamu kena faktorkan bahagian ni. So guys, may I know, when you factorize this, what do you get? Can anyone tell me? This is normal quadratic factorize. So what will you get? May I know? What will be the answer? Just this part only. Bahagian ni sahaja. Kamu bagi tahu saya jawapan. Apa kamu dapat? Anyone? You always do this when solving CTS. Adakah itu sahaja? Kamu hilang sesuatu? X plus B over 2A? Yes. Squared, guys. Do you all understand how I get it? Basically, you take X squared plus with B over 2A squared. Okay, then you get the answer. Yes, correct, Jia Ying. Okay, understand, guys? So you will get that one. Okay, so now you will reach this step already. Kamu akan dapat langkah ni. Okay, so now guys, now you just need to rearrange only. Susun balik sahaja. Okay, just rearrange the whole equation. Put everything to the right hand side. Okay, means this one all you shift to the right hand side. So it become B over 2A square. And then you minus C over 2A. Okay? So you just shift everything to the right hand side only. Pindahkan semua kat sebelah kanan. Okay? So you will get something like this. Okay? Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay guys, this one over here, right? You can combine the fraction. Okay? Kamu boleh gabungkan. Okay? So guys, how to combine the fraction? You make the denominator the same. Okay? Kamu bagi penyebut pecahan tu sama. Make it exactly the same. Then you can get this one, which is 2A. Okay, you make the denominator 2A. So you already prove already lah. Kamu dah buktikan rumus kuadratik. Okay, you can combine these two to become single fraction also can. Kamu boleh gabungkan mereka jadi pecahan tunggal kalau kamu nak. If you want to separate also can. Okay guys, are you clear how to prove this formula? Boleh dapat? Can Can you respond? One or two? Gabungkan macam ni. Okay, first step kamu darab lah. Okay, 2C, 2A. Okay, algebra sahaja. Okay, and then you combine. Sorry. This one is 4 guys. Because it's square. Okay, so B over 2A square. Kamu boleh kembangkan sebenarnya. Okay, so B over 2A square. You will get B square over 4A square. And then minus C over A. Okay, kat sini saya buang semua ni ke sebelah kanan. Okay, tadi dia sama dengan kosong tau. So, kamu pindah ke sebelah kanan. You shift everything to right hand side, kamu dapat yang ni. Boleh dapat? So, sekarang kamu samakan guys. Okay, so yang kat sini 4A square. So, kamu darab 4A kat sini. Kat atas dan bawah. Boleh faham? So, like this. Lepas tu dapat apa guys? Combine. B square minus 4AC over 4A square. Betul? Dapat macam ni. Okay, then ada kuasa 2 kan kat sini guys. Wait dia dah lari. Wait guys. Okay. So over here you got a square. Am I right? Square. So square pindah ke sebelah kanan jadi apa guys? Square root. Am I right? So the whole thing you square root. So square root you get square root B square minus 4AC. Yang ni pun kena punca kuasa 2. So kamu dapat 2A. Do you guys see this guys? So you get that term already. Kamu dah dapat sebutan yang tu. Okay guys? Are you all clear? So the answer is you will get this part. This is how you get this part. Clear? So algebra only. Bagus. Okay guys. Next one. Okay, so now they give you a quadratic equation already. Mereka dah bagi persamaan kuadratik. And they ask you to express the roots. Okay, kamu kena cari punca. So how guys? Macam mana cari punca? Apa kamu akan buat? What will you do? Okay, got keyword here guys. Whenever you see the word hence means what? Seterusnya maksud apa? Kamu kena buat apa? It's a keyword. Hence. Means that you must know this guys. Admats always like to use this. Hence means that yes, you refer back to the previous answer guys. Kamu guna balik apa yang kamu terbitkan tadi. Okay? Means that you substitute inside this formula. Okay guys, so may I know from here, what is your A value? Apa nilai A? Persamaan ni? This one is teknik menjawab tips so that you guys can see the keywords. Okay, so what is the A value guys? Can you all tell me? Yes, A sama dengan 1. B value? Wow, when I ask like this, the short question, right? Everyone will respond because very easy to respond. Am I right? B equal to negative 2K, correct? C value, guys, you also admit. You see how many people answer when short question. 2 minus K, correct? All right? So correct. You just substitute in the formula only. So guys, let's say this question come out in your exam. Soalan ni keluar dalam peperiksaan kamu. Kalau kamu tak tahu buat bahagian A, kamu tak tahu yang ni, adakah maksudnya kamu tak boleh jawab seluruh soalan ni? Yes or no? Let's say you don't know part A. Does it mean I just leave the whole question blank? Of course no. Okay, because part B you can use the answer in part A. So kamu guna sahajalah jawapan tu. Just use the answer to continue with B and C. So always remember guys, don't give up the question. Jangan blank. Jangan bagi soalan blank. Sebab kamu masih boleh dapat 5 markah dari 8. 508 is definitely a very good score. Okay, considering you don't know how to do part A. Okay, so try to do. Okay, so when you substitute, bila kamu gantikan, you will get something like this. Okay, so you can leave your answer over here or you can split. Kamu boleh pisahkan. Okay, first one is k plus square root k square plus k minus 2. Or the second one, you can just say k minus square root k square plus k minus 2. You can write like this also. Boleh tunjuk macam ni pun boleh. Okay guys, are you all clear? Understand? 1 or 2 for question B? Okay, huh? Okay, so next one. Okay guys, this is the question I told you all. Can you all see guys? They ask you to use the number line method. Careful huh? Anyone don't know number line method? You must learn now. Kamu kena tahu sekarang. Macam mana guna kaedah garis nombor. Not difficult guys. Tak susah. Don't worry. Okay. So how to know guys? How to check your answer? Okay, you can use a trick. Let's say you don't like number line method. You just draw with pencil. Lukis pencil guna kaedah graph. Kalau kamu suka. Then check jawapan graph tu dia sama tak dengan kaedah guna nombor lain. Sebab graph kamu tahu pasti jawapan kamu betul. Am I right? Because graph, if graph is your favorite method, definitely your answer is correct one. So you can use that to check with your number line. Does it give the same answer or not? This is one method. Okay. So for number line, they say that it has real root guy. So real root means what guys? May I know? What is the equation? Kalau ada punca nyata. Punca means that how many? How many roots over here guys? Berapa punca kat sini? Is it 1? Is it 2? How many? Yes, there is 2 roots guys. 2 punca. So may I know? B square minus 4AC equal or greater than 0? Yes, greater than 0 guys. Correct. Okay, so you will get this equation over here. Kamu akan dapat persamaan ni. Okay, you just substitute the value only. Gantikan nilai. Okay. So actually, right guys, this equation come from here. This one. You factorize this one. Okay, faktorkan yang tu. Okay, can also. Actually, the greater than or equal to or greater than, not much difference. Not much difference over here. Okay, so yeah, you can use greater than or equal to also can. Because number line is just for you to determine positive or negative. Okay, kamu nak tengok tanda dia positif atau negatif sahaja. Okay, so greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0, both also will come to positive. Am I right? At the end, that is the common region. Okay, kawasan yang sama. Okay, the equal to 0 is just one thing only. Satu perkara sahaja. Okay, so now you just have to factorize this. So guys, may I know what are your 2k values over here? Apa nilai k yang kamu ada? Yes. Okay, you have negative 2 and 1. So guys, you can imagine and see b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Ataupun fx lebih besar atau sama dengan kosong. So guys, you're going to shade where? May I know? Let's say you draw the graph. But of course here don't draw the graph lah dalam exam. Saya tengah tunjuk saja kaedah graph. Okay, so you will shade on top. Am I right? Kamu akan lorek atas. So means that you're going to have your answer in a range. Okay, kamu akan ada julat. Okay, so for the number line method, you must know that there are always 3 cases in quadratic. Ada 3 case jawapan sahaja. So since your roots are this one, first case, k greater than or equal to 1. Okay, because your graph, okay, something like this, number 1 is here, negative 2 is here, you're going to shade to the left or right. Am I right? Kamu akan lorek sama ada ke kanan atau ke kiri. So kalau ke kanan, yang ni lah. Kalau ke kiri, to the left, you get this one. In between also can. Kat tengah-tengah pun ada possibility. So kamu boleh tulis jawapan macam ni. Antara negatif 2 dan 1. So guys, over here you cover all the case already. Kamu dah dapat ketiga-tiga case. So now guys, how to know which is the answer? Okay. So very simple. Kamu pilih sahaja mana-mana nilai yang kamu suka. Yang mematuhi ketaksamaan ni. Just choose any value that satisfy this inequality. So guys, can you tell me one value that satisfies this inequality? This one. Zero wrong ah. Guys, yang pertama, apa nilai K yang patuhi yang tu? Anyone? Bagi saya satu nilai, yes. Negative 3, very simple. Okay, so you can test. Sub inside your equation. Gantikan dalam persamaan kat sini. So guys, if you count and see, you are going to get a positive answer. Am I right? Kamu dapat positif 4. So it's a positive value. Okay, so you just label positive. Letak positif kat situ. Okay, second one. Okay, bagi saya satu nilai guys dalam jualan ni. Give me a value that you want. Any value. Apa-apa nilai. Yes, negative 1 can, 0 can, 1 also can. Satu pun masih boleh. Okay, yes. So you will get a negative answer over here. Kamu akan dapat jawapan negatif. Okay, last one. You can use K equal to 2. Okay, 2. So kat sini kamu akan dapat jawapan positif. Positive value. Okay guys. So since it's greater than 0, lebih besar atau sama dengan kosong. So kamu pilih yang mana guys? Pastilah yang positif. Okay, you will choose only the positive answer. Negative, you reject lah. So this one is wrong. Do you all understand now? So your answer is these two. Okay, ini adalah jawapan akhir kamu. So guys, can you score this question? 8 markah. Senang kan? Easy, right? Okay, as long as you know the number line method, should be okay. So sekarang kamu semua dah clear ke tak? Kaedah garis nombor. Are you all clear now? How to show it in your exam? You must show like that. Okay? They'll just change the equation only. Ubah persamaan sahaja. Okay, wow. Today got another. Oh, this one volleyball, not basketball. Just now basketball, now volleyball. Is it important to show substitution? You mean your K value? Is it like K equal negative 3? Yes, sure. Because it will be easier for you to determine whether it's positive or negative. Okay? Just show the substitution. All right. So guys, over here the question is very kind to you. Soalan sangat memikir perasaan kamu. Okay, mereka dah bagi persamaan. Bukan macam tadi. Okay, they already give you the equation guys. So this one is much easier. Okay. So guys, this one is volleyball. So who play volleyball over here? Can you comment? Siapa kelab bola keranjang di sekolah? Sure got a lot of people here. Am I right? Comment. Don't be shy. Oh, God, not bad. So, menarik tak main bola keranjang? Pernah terfikir tak, Nmaths, bila main bola keranjang, macam mana bola tu pergi dalam kuadratik? Siapa pun tak pernah fikir kan? Apa yang korang tak fikir, mereka akan keluar soalan macam ni. Bukan bola tampar ke? Volleyball. Ya, bola tampar. Oh, sorry guys. Saya translate salah. Bola keranjang tu basketball. Bola tampar. Yes, yes. Siapa kelab bola tampar di sekolah? Okay. Volleyball. Okay, so you will have something like this lah guys. Okay, so first question, they ask you to express it in the vertex form. Okay, very simple. Kamu dah ada persamaan guys. So same concept only. First step guys, may I know what is the first step? Apa langkah pertama? Yes. Okay, I want step by step. First step, tell me generally, secara am. Don't need to go to detail. First step is always yes. Okay, in other words, make sure A equal to 1. Nilai A kena 1. Okay, means that you factorize out negative 3 over 100. Keluarkan yang ni. Okay, second step is what guys? CTS. I summarize for you. Kaedah CTS ada 3 langkah saja. 3 step. Okay, second step, what do you do? Anyone? Come on. Langkah kedua, CTS. Hello guys. What is the second step? Apa langkah kedua CTS? Kesemua 47 orang kat sini. 47 people. Pindahkan C ke kanan. Yes, uni correct. Guys, second step is always plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Kamu akan buat langkah ni kan? Yes. Okay, third step guys. What do you do? Last step. You will do something. kamu akan buat sesuatu. What is it? Yes, factorize, guys. Okay, factorize means that x plus b over 2a square. Do you remember this? Just now we did this one. X plus b over 2a square. Kamu kena faktorkan 3 ungkapan di depan. The first 3 term, you factorize to this format. Okay? Then last step, okay, maybe I make 4 step lah. Okay, so what is the last one? Langkah terakhir CTS. Yes, expand lah. Darab balik. Okay, darab A masuk dalam persamaan. You expand the A value back inside to both of the term. Okay, so that you can get the format of ax minus h square plus k. Okay, very clear, right, guys? So always remember this 4-step CTS. It will help you a lot. Ingat 4 ni. Okay, so your answer will look something like this. Okay, so you will have, okay, so you see the first step. This is the first step. Langkah pertama, keluarkan A. Second step, add b over 2 square. Guys, when you add b over 2 square, kena masuk nilai negatif juga. Okay, you must add the negative value of b. Okay, negative 20 over 3 over 2. Negative b over 2. Okay, be careful lah, guys. Kat sini boleh silap sebab ada 2 pecahan. There is 2 fraction over here. So be careful when doing this step. Okay, and then third step is when you combine. You combine the first term with the third term. Kamu combine pertama dengan ketiga. Okay, so you get x minus. Okay, why minus, guys? How to know whether minus or plus? Okay, you see here, guys. Plus minus. Plus times minus. What do you get, guys? Negative, right? They positive, negative, negative. That's why minus in the between. Okay, and then this one you just tekan calculator. Press your calculator. Okay, this is the third step, guys. Okay, yang saya katakan tadi. Last step, expand the A value inside. Okay, gantikan nilai A masuk dalam. Kembangkan A masuk dalam. Okay, so you get the fourth step. So guys, you see, the answer scheme also show the fourth step. 4 langkah ni sahaja. Do you guys get it? So your marks are coming from here. Okay, 2 markah dari sini. 2 mark. Okay, so now guys, may I know what is your maximum height over here from this equation? Apa ketinggian maksimum bola keranjang? Yes, very good. Okay, vertex form, your maximum height is the last value, guys. Nilai terakhir. Okay, 43 over 12. Okay, so this is your answer. Are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? Any problems? No problem, huh? Okay, so guys, do you see this thing or not? Nampak skema pemakan betul-betul lah kat sini. Do you see this, guys? Yes. So just now I told you, right? You can use differentiation for quadratic. Kamu boleh guna pembezaan kalau kamu tak tahu kaedah ni. If you don't know this one. Okay, you see the question, guys, carefully. Part A. Do they ask you to use CTS, guys? Adakah soalan cakap kena guna kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2? No. Okay, that's why answer scheme say you can use differentiation. Kamu boleh guna pembezaan. Okay? Can, guys? So actually differentiation is much shorter. Pembezaan lebih pendek dari langkah ni. Okay, because you just find x, substitute back, find y. Okay, then only you write this answer lah. Kamu tulis jawapan ni. Alright? Okay. So are you clear, guys, with this question? Part A? Boleh? 1 or 2 guys dah jadi sangat senyap, coming very quiet tadi suddenly. Okay, still alive, guys, masih hidup, semangat sikit lah. Okay, so now breathing. Okay, guys, another thing you must take note, this question, do you see this, guys? You will get 0 mark if you don't show this step. Kalau kamu tak tunjuk langkah ni yang saya tekankan tadi, kosong markah. Do you all see this? So this is the importance of this step. Kamu mesti tunjuk langkah ni dalam jalan kira kamu. Must. Every single question involving CTS or PKD. Okay? But of course, if you use differentiation method, you don't need to show that lah. Kalau kamu guna kaedah pembezaan, jangan pula tunjuk yang ni. Okay? So, alright. Okay, next one, guys. Part B. They ask you to determine the height. Okay, height, guys. Do they want you to find X or Y? Yang mana? Yes, height is always Y. So find Y when the ball pass over the net. Bila bola tu melepasi jaring. Okay, so where When does the bola melepasi jaring? Can anyone tell me? What is the X value? Apa nilai X yang kamu akan gantikan? Anyone? What do y'all think? When will the ball pass the net? This is the net, guys. Ini adalah jaring. So what is the value of X? Cannot be, guys, X value, guys. This is Y value. Ini adalah nilai Y. X refer to the distance. Jawab. So what is the X value? Must have one value only. Cannot have range. Kena ada satu nilai sahaja. Okay? So what is the values? No, guys, must be careful. Okay, guys, I ask you one question. Very important. Do you see this, guys? The volleyball's serve function, guys. Mana antara yang ni adalah fungsi service? A atau B? Cuba jawab yang ni dulu. A atau B? Yes, guys. Means that, where does the equation start from, guys? Bahasa, guys. Careful on your language. This one test language, not admits. Soalan ni cuba uji bahasa. Yes. Means that your quadratic equation actually start from this one. So guys, what is the distance now? 9 sahaja. Okay, means that you substitute X equal to 9. Be careful, guys. Bila ada soalan ayat panjang ni kena baca. Jangan malas. Don't be lazy to read the statement. I know it's maths. You want to do fast, but must still read the statement. Okay, so X equal to 9. Okay, so you just substitute X is 9, count the answer. Okay, so got another step here. You must minus 2.43 after you sub X equal to 9. Why? Because they ask you the height of the ball above the net. Okay, so guys, how to find the height of the ball above the net? Tinggi bola di atas jaring. So you need to minus the height of the net. Am I right? So let's say maybe the ball is like this. So you want to find this height, guys. Kamu nak cari titik ni. So you know that this height is 2.61 based on the quadratic equation. Okay, kamu kira dapat 2.62. Sorry. Okay, so how to find H? You take 2.62 minus the height of the net. Tinggi jaring. Okay, guys? 1 or 2 for question B. Should be okay, right? So just be careful on the language only. Bahasa sahaja, hati-hati. Okay, next one. Okay, so for 13C, they ask you to predict whether the service can score point or not, guys. Okay, siapa main bola keranjang pasti tahulah. Bola keranjang lagi, bola tanpa. Okay, who play netball? Definitely know. Okay, when the service can score point, when it cannot score point. Am I right? Kamu semua tahu kan? Saya tak main, so saya tak tahu. Saya tak boleh huraikan pada kamu. Okay, I cannot describe. So you know lah. Okay, so now, how to know? Macam mana nak tahu? Okay, they ask you to use calculation. Guna pengiraan. So how, guys? Sebagai seorang yang main bola tanpa. As a person who play volleyball. Siapa main volleyball kat sini? Kalau soalan C salah, kamu give up lah volleyball. You can retire from bola tanpa. Because you answer AdMaths question wrong. Betul lah. Must exceed the net height. Okay. Oh, you know, you say you never play? How you know? You just guess, is it? I also don't know the answer, guys. Saya pun tak berani jawab yang ni. Kamu tanya orang yang main netball. Okay. Alright. So, what is it? Okay, so how to do this, guys? What is the process? Anyone? You must find what value, guys. Kamu kena cari nilai apa sekarang? Nilai X atau nilai Y? Which one? What do you all think? Betul ke? Are you sure? They ask whether the service can score point or not. Yes, guys, the X. You must see how far the ball can travel. Kamu kena tahu berapa jauh bola tu boleh pergi. Okay, so how to find X? You solve your equation lah. Kamu selesaikan persamaan kuadratik. Okay, you already have your equation here. So you just let fx equal to 0, solve for x. Okay, so how to solve? Use quadratic formula. Okay, guna rumus kuadratik. Just sub the a, b, and c value inside. Count your x. So guys, Why this one reject? Kenapa yang ni kena tolak? Common sense? Yes. Length cannot be negative, guys. Okay, panjang tak boleh negative. So, of course, your answer is going to be 14.262. Okay, so the answer is yes. Okay, because the 14.262 is less than 18. Okay, so 18 tu datang dari mana? Okay, so 18 kamu boleh refer kat sini. Wait ah. 18. Wait guys, let me see. Okay, so over here you got 5, right? 5 plus 9, 14. Okay, and then wait another 18. Guys, siapa yang main apa dia? Bola tanpa. Cuba explain kat saya. Kat mana datang lagi 4 meter? For those play the volleyball. Anyone? Hey, volleyball or netball? Now I so confused already. So guys, how the 18 meter come from? Anyone know? Yes, volleyball. Macam mana 18 tu datang? Anyone know? 9 times 2? Okay, let's see. Wait. 9 times 2. Okay, yes. Okay, guys. So the concept is going to reach the maximum height over here. Dia akan dapat tinggi maksimum 9 kat situ. Okay, and then when it fall, right, it's going to fall another 9 meter. Am I right? Because this one is maximum point. Maximum point is axis of symmetry, theta maximum. So 9 here means that 9 also here. So since the answer you get is 14.262, lebih kecil, okay, so that means yes lah. Okay, jawapan dia adalah ya. Okay, means boleh. Service tu boleh. Okay. Well, actually, this question really tests you whether you know netball or not, I feel. Okay. Sorry, volleyball. Kamu kena betul-betul tahu bola tanpa. Baru faham logik soalan ni. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so the answer is like this. Alright. Okay, last question. 13D. They ask you to sketch the graph, guys, of the locus. Okay. Yes. I always confuse. I don't know why. Because I never play, that's why those spot. Okay, so they ask you locus, pergerakan bola. So guys, when you see the word locus, you all will get confused, right? Am I right? Soalan ni nak tweet kamu saja. Kamu rasa kamu kena lukis bulatan kan kat sini. You all must draw circle, right? Because you see locus. Okay, very good. You say no. Okay, because over here is a quadratic graph. Am I right? Okay, dia adalah ungkapan kuadratik. So you just need to draw actually a quadratic graph. Okay, so you can see over here, based on your function just now. Okay, make sure you label all your point. Label semua titik. Yang ni kamu dapat tadi, maximum point. And then the distance yang kamu dapat tadi, how far, and your y-intercept. Label 3 titik ni. Okay, you can show all these points. Okay, so you can see the marking scheme here. 14.262 wajib tulis. Okay, this one is a must write. Kalau tak tulis, habis. Okay, and then 3.25 must be lower than the maximum point. Okay, dia kena lebih rendah. Okay, guys, are you all clear for this question? Can do it? Boleh ya? Okay, so we see the next one. Maybe one more lah, satu lagi. Lepas tu kita habis dah, I think. Okay, so this question, frog. Okay, I don't know why they come out this question also. Never mind. Let's see. Wait, guys. I try to see any other question that is different. Sebab soalan ni sama sahaja. Okay, guys. Let us see this question. This question slightly different. Nampak yang ni, guys? We never do this kind of question yet. Okay, guys. So this one got proving. Ada buktikan. So, guys, you see this question here. They ask you to express the range of Q in term of P. So guys, whenever you see range, what do you think, guys? Fikir apa? Bila nampak julat? May I know? What will you guys think of? Yes, B square minus 4AC greater than 0, guys. Lebih besar dari sifar. Sebab ada dua punca nyata. Two real roots. Okay? So just substitute your A, B, and C value. Okay, semua nilai dah ada kat sini. Okay, so A is P, B is 1, C is negative Q. Okay, sub everything, you will get the answer. Okay, so you will get the range like this. Okay, so Q is less than negative 1 over 4P. Okay, are you clear, guys? Question A easy, right? Senang kan? Okay, next one. Okay, now is the tough one, guys. Yang ni susah. How to prove this, guys? Macam mana buktikan yang ni? Okay, this one a lot of people will get killed in admits. Okay, because they don't know where to start from. Nak mula dari mana? Yang ni. So how, guys? What is your idea? This is the time for you to think. Kamu kena fikir. Macam mana boleh dapat yang ni? How to get this equation? Anyone? Give me some suggestion. Bagi cadangan. Kamu kena berfikir. You must think. Because if you don't think, you don't know how to do in the exam. Tak fikir, kamu tak boleh buat dalam exam. Reciprocal. I mean the concept. What is the concept you use to show this one? What is the idea that you can get from the graph? Anyone? Yes, guys. Whenever you see this, right, can you notice something? M over N, N over M. Guys, mereka tengah main punca. Betul? They are playing with these two roots, M and N. So guys, your mind must think adi. Minda kena fikir. What about roots that you learn in this chapter? Apa tentang punca kamu belajar dalam bab ni? Ada SOR dan POR kan? Betul? You learn these two concepts. So you can use those two concepts to solve the question actually. Okay? So guys, may I know what will be your SOR? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai SOR kat sini? Means that M plus N equal to what? Okay, so tell me, what is the answer here? Yes. Okay, the answer is negative 1 over P, guys. Macam mana dapat yang ni? Negative B over A is SOR. Okay, so B value 1, A value P. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, can you all tell me what is your POR? Apa hasil darat punca dalam soalan ni, guys? Product of root. Yes. How come only one person answering? Guys, where are the rest of you? Tengah tidur ke ataupun tengah fokus sangat? You all focusing a lot, is it? Yes, you're the only one answering. Oh, tengah fikir. Guys, you all still remember SOR and POR, right? Hopefully you all still remember. Oh, guna formula, guys. HTP sama dengan negative B over A. Okay? HDP sama dengan C over A. Okay? Kenal pasti semua nilai masuk dalam tu. Boleh dapat yang ni. Okay? Just remember the formula. This is the formula you must know. Okay? Can? Okay, so SOR is negative B over A, POR is C over A. Then you form the equation. Okay? So now, you must know how to show this lah. Okay, so how to show this? Okay, you see in the equation, right, guys? You have M, you have N, you have Q. Am I right? So guys, kita kena eliminate variable apa kat sini? What must we get rid of in this equation? Why SOR negative? The formula is like that. Hasril, formula is negative B over A. Okay, so B is 1 and then A is P based on this equation. Okay, can? So you will always have negative sign there. It is part of the formula 1, negative B over A. Okay, yes, you must eliminate variable P, guys. Kamu kena hapuskan P. Okay, so how? You express P in terms of the other variable. Okay, of course, you can do a different method. Okay, guys, if you see over here, right, you can play with the formula. Okay, this one. You can combine them to form a single fraction. Okay, gabungkan dua-dua mereka untuk dapat pecahan tunggal. Okay, so you're going to get something like this. Am I right? You will get this one. Correct? Bila kamu gabungkan. So, from here, this is your POR. Ini adalah hasil darat punca. This one, you can separate. Okay, quadratic, guys. Guna ilmu quadratic. Okay, so M square plus N square. How to separate? Yes, guys. M plus N square minus 2mn. Boleh, guys? Dari sini ke sini kamu tahu tak macam mana? Do you all understand? Okay, because m square plus 2mn plus n square, then you minus 2mn. Okay, so that 2mn dengan negatif 2mn boleh potong, cancel. Okay, so you get something like this. So this is SOL, POL, POL. Okay, HTP adalah yang ni, HDP, HDP. Okay, repeat Okay, slowly guys. Focus all of you. Okay, so how to get 2mn? Okay, let me show you an example. Saya tunjuk contoh berbeza. Okay guys, listen Okay, so example. Let me think and see. Okay, so guys, let's say I got an equation like this. Saya ada persamaan macam ni. X square plus 3 square. Okay guys, how can I write this? Macam mana saya boleh faktorkan yang ni? Anyone? I can write it as x plus 3. X plus 3 square. Am I right? Minus what guys? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Tolak berapa? You will minus the multiplication guys. 3 times 2 times x. 6x. Okay, sebab kalau kamu kembarkan yang ni, kamu dapat positive x. Betul? X square plus 6x plus 9 minus 6x. Tolak 6x. So, dua ni potong guys. So guys, do you see you get back the same answer? Dapat jawapan sama? So, this is the concept. That's why kena tolak kat situ. Boleh faham tak? Ajar. How you get the 2mn? Same concept. Saya guna soalan berbeza saja. This is a different question. Can or not guys? X plus 3, X minus 3. Takkan dapat tolak. Sebab tambah guys. Kat sini. Plus 3 square. So plus minus you already get minus. Kalau tambah tolak tak boleh. Kena tambah-tambah. So that's why kuasa 2. Okay? Can or not? You cannot have minus. So now can. Okay, very good. Okay, so you will have something like this lah. Okay, so bila kamu dapat dalam bentuk ni, you just substitute your information guys. M plus N negative 1 over P masuk. Okay, you substitute inside here. Okay, and then Mn equal to negative Q over P, substitute inside here. Gantikan saja. Okay, and then you can express your answer. Okay, kamu susun sampai dapat yang ni. You rearrange until you get the answer over there. Okay, can right guys? Boleh kan? Very easy, right? So something like this only. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, last one guys. Question number C. Okay, one more time. Last time untuk kamu buat kaedah PKD. Your last chance. Okay, so make sure you all focus. Okay, first step guys. Can you all tell me what is the first step? Tadi baru saya bagi tahu. I want you all to revise this because very important one. Sangat penting. Very good. So you all remember A equal to 1. Second step, can you all tell me? Langkah kedua. What do you do? Come on guys. Second step. Langkah kedua. Cuba ingat balik. What is the second step? Yes. Okay, plus B over 2 square minus B over 2 square. Correct. Third step guys. What do you do? Langkah ketiga. Once you memorize this step right, any question come out, confirm you can do already. Yes. Okay, factorize. X plus B over 2A square. This one. Okay, last step guys. What? Apa kamu kena buat? Yes. Times back guys. Expand A. Senang tak guys? When you remember this 4 step, sangat systematic, sangat organized. Okay, you can answer any question already. Okay, so you just apply it to the equation on top. Okay, tadi ada persamaan ni kan? This is your equation. So you just apply the concept. Okay, first step, you take out the, the P is here. Okay, the P is over here, plus X. Okay, so the B value is 1 over P. Okay, nilai B adalah 1 bahagi P. Okay, so yeah. So you just express until you get the format. Okay, sampai dapat format. So you can leave your answer here also guys. Boleh. Stop kat sini pun boleh. You can leave your answer over there. Okay? Are you clear guys? Any problem? Should be okay, right? Hati-hati saja kat sini. All the step over here, right? You just be careful. Hati-hati saja dengan negative, positive. All the sign you must be careful. Okay, so that no careless mistake. Okay, guys? Are you all clear? One or two? Clear. Okay. So, let me see ya. I think that's all lah. Saya rasa itu saja. Okay, guys. One more question, can or not? Satu lagi saja. This one. Can or not? Saja saya nak tahan kamu. One more, can Okay. We see this question, last one. Okay, guys. So for this question, 6 marks, 6 markah. Okay, quite different. Okay, so they give you the equation tadi. Very simple. Kamu ada persamaan. So they ask you to find the depth of the drain. Okay, so guys, depth of the drain means that they want you to find X or Y. Kedalaman tu X atau Y. Yes, Y lah. Okay, so they tell you the width is 25. Okay, so guys, how to do it? Macam mana nak buat? What do you all think? What is the step over here? Think carefully and see. 12.5. Is it your final answer? Oh, sub 12.5. Cannot. You cannot sub 12.5. Vertex, bukan. Guys, this one is your quadratic equation. No need to do vertex. CTS. CTS. Okay? Yes, can guys. CTS can. CTS boleh. Okay, can. Yes, can. No problem. Yes, you can do that. Boleh. Okay, another method is, wait, guys. Is there any information missing? Wait, let me see. Okay, nothing. Okay, so over here, there is one thing you all must take note. Okay, I think they miss out something over here. Let me see. Negative. Okay, so first step is you find your axis of symmetry. Cari paksi symmetry. So guys, you must take note. Your axis of symmetry is not 12.5 over here. Do you know that? Persamaan paksi symmetry bukan 12.5. Do you all know why? Yes or no? Type kat saya. Do you all know why is it not 12.5? Don't know. Okay, very simple guys. Do you see there is an extra length here? Dia ada satu lagi tambahan panjang kat situ. So you cannot assume X equal to 12.5. You don't know that length. Kamu tak tahu. So guys, what you must do is, you must use X equal to negative B over 2A into the equation here. Yes, use X equal negative B over 2A, find your axis of symmetry. Cari paksi symmetry. Then sub the X inside here to find your Y. So that is the concept over here. Okay, so but that's not all. Itu bukan saja. There is an extra step also over here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so once you do that, bila buat yang tu, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Betul? You will get something like that. Equal to negative 40. Okay guys, negative not important. Kamu boleh abaikan because now we are talking about length, panjang. Okay, so kamu boleh kata modulus lah. Lepas tu 40 meter. Okay, so now, is 40 meter actually the depth of the drain? Yes or no? Adakah 40 cm adalah kedalaman? Maksudnya 40 macam ni? Is it that's all? Or is there something else over here? You sure? Are you sure? Okay, guys. Actually, got an extra step over here. Okay. So, no. 40 is not the whole depth yet. It's only part of the depth. 40 hanya sebahagian daripada kedalaman longkang. There is another value that you must add actually. Kamu kena tambah sesuatu lagi. 50? No. Okay, guys. You see carefully, your 12.5, okay, this distance 12.5, right? 12.5. Okay, so you can actually assume the 12.5, okay, as your axis of symmetry. Okay, that concept still can use one. Masih boleh guna. Okay, because you must understand there is a gap here. Ada bahagian kat situ yang tak terkira. Okay, so the 12.5, you can actually sub back inside your vertex equation. Okay, kamu boleh ganti dalam persamaan vertex. Okay, actually no need vertex equation. You can use the normal equation also can. Same answer. Boleh guna persamaan biasa juga. Okay, so you see the step here, guys. Nampak betul-betul. Okay, this step over here. Okay, you just refer one of it. Nampak satu saja. Okay, example this one. So guys, you see they take 15 minus 12.5. Okay, 15 is just now this value. Okay, this value represent your what is it? Axis of symmetry, persamaan paksi symmetry for the equation itself. Persamaan itu sahaja. Okay, so where the 12.5 come from? 12.5 come from the 25 cm, you divide by 2. Am I right? 25 bagi 2, you get 12.5. So you must consider this length also. Ada dua panjang yang kamu kena consider. First panjang is the equation itself, persamaan dia sahaja. Second panjang is the axis of symmetry, which is 25 bahagi 2. Okay, so why like that? Mengapa kena buat dua kali? Because there is a gap. Ada bahagian kat situ. So guys, you must understand, it depends where you consider your axis. Okay, ke mana kamu anggap paksi kamu. Okay, let's say y and x. Okay, maybe this is x, this is y. Okay, so in this case, x is 12.5. Am I right? Betul kan? X sama dengan 12.5. Okay, tapi saya pun boleh kata paksi dia kat sini. Betul? I can assume my origin is here, and then this will become the new axis of symmetry. Am I right? So how to know this value? This value is based on x equal to negative b bahagi 2a. Correct? So that's why this 5 cm over here, this small length over here, actually you don't know the length lah, tak tahu nilai dia. Okay, that small length will make you cause you to do two method. Kamu kena buat dua kaedah dan tambah dua-dua jawapan because of the small length over there. Do you understand? So that's why they show this method over here. Okay, because we want to consider that extra length. That's why they minus. Tengok, 15 minus 25 over 2. Okay, mereka nak cari perbezaan, the difference of that small length. Okay, because that small length over there will contribute to the depth of the drain also. Panjang kecil tu akan bawa kesan pada kedalaman longkang. Okay, can you guys get it? Okay, so you just have to add up both of the value. Very hard, right? Sangat susah kan? Siapa pernah terfikir idea ni? I think no one would have thought. Okay, but guys, to be honest, right? If you think that this is only the step that you have to solve, right? For 6 mark, logic lah, guys. Do you think this is the only step you show to get 6 mark in this question? I don't think so, right? You think logic, fikir logic, guys. Kamu akan pasti kata ada lagi step nak buat. Betul? Sebab bukan saja kamu tunjuk yang ni terus 6 markah. Tak ada logik kan? Mungkin 3 markah saja. Setengah daripada jumlah markah. Only half, guys. So means that there must be extra step 1. You must think and see like this. Logic. Okay, then you will try to think of another idea. Okay? I'll probably try both, but adding won't call. Yes. You must, the adding part is hard. This part is hard. Okay, you must know that you must add the both of it together. Okay? So this is very hard question actually. Okay? There is also alternative, but I think it's the same thing. Sama saja. This one they are using CTS. Okay, alternative B is CTS method. This one is normal, kaedah biasa. Okay? Can or not, guys? Boleh ke tak? I know it's a bit hard, but try to understand. Cuba faham. Let's say soalan sama keluar dalam SPM, the same type of question come in SPM, you know how to do already. Kamu tahu, ada perangkap kat sini. There is a trap. I don't think so. I think it's I also forget already. Maybe it's Sabah. I don't know. Saya pun dah lupa. It's somewhere I found. Ada sesiapa pernah jumpa tak? soalan ni dalam exam over here? 30 people. Can you respond if you've seen this question in your trial? Because saya ambil dari trial 2024 saja. None. Okay, maybe you're not in that state lah. Is that state. Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah. Anyone that want this material, please PM me, okay? Kena PM nombor saya. Because got other question also you guys can go through. Okay, boleh lihat lagi soalan. Form only lah. 4 soalan saja lagi. Okay? So, do you guys understand lesson today? Is it good? Adakah membantu kamu? Does it help a bit? Help, ah? Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, as long as you guys understand is the best thing. Okay, so yeah, okay, sure, I will. Thank you. For those that want the material, make sure PM this number. Okay, you can copy down the number and then, wow, you guys like my class, is it? Is it nice? Fun or not? Hopefully it's fun lah. Hopefully menarik, bukan saja. Oh, okay, engaging, interesting. But you guys never respond so much, right? How do you say it's engaging? In what way? Oh, I am engaging. Okay, so you are not engaging, but I engaging. Okay. Fun. Okay, not bad. As long as you guys enjoy it, it's good. So yeah, tomorrow will be modern maths. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss Form 4 Chapter 2, number bases. Okay guys, kita buat asas nombor esok for modern maths, Form 4 C2. Okay guys, thank you.